Yeah, so this is the official website to download the JDK, and you'll get this link in the description. As you can see, we have various tabs according to the operating system. So I'll be downloading the DMG installer for this macOS. In case if you are using Windows, you can access it in this Windows tab. And once it is downloaded, we'll install it and then we'll verify the correct version of the JDK is installed. So let's unpack it and then continue, install. If it is prompting any password, please provide it. Once it is done, it will show us a message like this: install succeeded. Then we'll open a terminal. If in case if you are using Windows, you can open the command prompt, type Java version, and here you can see the Java version is 18. See you in the next.